Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So NT has released UGC NET forms for December 2024. You can read the article thoroughly for the details about the exam, and you can find the link to this article in the description box. To register, you just have to scroll down and you can find it here under application process. Just click on the application link and here we are. As we are registering for the first time, we will just click on the new candidate button here. So as you can see that the instructions and procedures for the application form is given here. You can read it thoroughly, and after reading it, just click here to proceed. Okay, so now you just have to click on one of these options. Just read everything on this page very carefully. I will just click on Indian passport option here, but this is just for the demonstration purpose. You just have to fill your own details here. You have to click on the option that is applicable to you. You can click on Aadhaar number also, but here I am clicking on the passport, Indian passport option. Okay, so now that we have completed our identification details, now we will fill in the personal details here. I am going to fill in here my details. You just have to fill yours. This is just for the demonstration purpose. Okay, so now that I have filled all of the required information here, so under personal details I have written the name, the parent's name, the date of birth, email address, gender and everything that was required here I have filled. And here under identity type, you just have to fill in the required identity type. The identity you need to put in here, you can put in yours. I have filled PAN card here. And then under present address, you just have to fill in your address where you are currently living. And here I have clicked on same as present address, but if your current address and your permanent address are different, you can fill in the different information here. I have selected same as present address just for the demonstration purpose. So I have chosen the password here, and you just have to fill your security question here. This is just for the security purpose. I have selected the birth city, and you can select your own security question here. Then we'll click on submit. Okay, so this is a review page. You just have to read all of the information that you have registered, all of the credentials that you have made, and then you just have to verify all of that information by clicking on these checkboxes. Okay, so now that I have reviewed everything in my form, in my registration form, I'll just click on submit and send OTP. But if you find any mistake in your registration form, you can click here on edit registration form. As my form is correct, I'm clicking on submit and send OTP. So as you can see, the registration has been done. The OTP has been sent on your registered email ID. Okay, so after filling in the OTP, you will receive your application number on your registered email ID. So here I will fill in the application number that I received on the email. Okay, so after the registration has been done, we are logging in all of our credentials here, the application number with the password that you put in, and then we will just click on login. As you can see that the registration status is shown here. So we will now just proceed to completing our application form. Okay, so the contact details that I provided during the registration process has already been written here, and you can just recheck all of your information if it is correct or not, or if all the boxes has been filled. Now we'll just click on save and next. Okay, so after contact details, we have to check our personal details here, and we will just fill in the boxes that has not already been filled. Here I am filling my information, you have to fill in yours. This is just for the demonstration purpose. So now that I have filled in all the information, I will just click on save and next. Okay, so after filling in your personal details, we have to fill in our qualification details here. We just have to select on the basis of which we are going to apply for UGC NET. Here I am filling master's degree. You can choose your own option here. So I have filled in all the required information here about the master's degree, and then I'll just recheck and click on save and next. So now we are proceeding with additional details here. Just fill in the required boxes. So I have selected the options as per my choice, but you have to select it according to you. This is just for the demonstration purpose, and I'll just click on save and next then. Okay, after filling additional details, we now have to fill our exam center details. You just have to put in your choice of exam state here. Here you have to select the subject that you are going to opt for NET. Here I have selected psychology, and the question paper medium should be chosen by you according to your language of preference. Here I have selected English, and then I am going to select the exam state. Okay, so I have selected all the required information here. I have chosen the nearest exam state or nearest exam city that I am comfortable in, but you have to fill in your exam city here, and then after that we'll just click on save and next. Okay, so we are halfway done here. We just have to upload our documents. We have to upload our photo and signature here. Just read the specifications here, and I am uploading the documents right here. Okay, so now that I have submitted the required documents, I'll just click on save and next. So we have submitted everything required here. Now you just have to recheck your form, read it very carefully, very thoroughly, and if you find any mistake or any changes that you have to do, just click on any of these. If you have to change your contact details or personal details, just click on that and you can edit it. Okay, after rechecking, I'll just click on here to verify my mobile number. So for mobile verification, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Okay, so the mobile number has been verified, the documents have been registered, and now I will just click on submit. So before submitting the form, before the final submission, I'll just click on these check boxes just to verify everything. Okay, so now that I have filled in all the required details in the application and I verified my mobile number as well, now the only thing left is to make a payment here. As I have selected the unreserved category, the amount for unreserved category is 1150, but you have to pay the amount for your category here. Okay, so here you just have to select your mode or bank of payment, and then you'll be done. Thank you.